Ever wonder how health-conscious individuals manage their meals while juggling a busy schedule? It all comes down to strategic meal planning. This isn't as daunting as it might sound. With a few simple steps, anyone can create a personalized meal plan that's both nutritious and delicious. First, craft a weekly meal plan that aligns with dietary preferences and nutritional needs. This could mean incorporating more plant-based meals for vegetarians or ensuring a balanced intake of protein, carbohydrates, and fats for those on a balanced diet. The key is to make the plan flexible and enjoyable, so it's easy to stick to. Next, jot down a grocery list detailing the ingredients needed for the planned meals. This not only saves time during shopping, but also ensures no crucial item gets forgotten. In this step, remember to prioritize fresh, whole foods over processed ones. Seasonal produce often offers the best nutritional value and taste. With the meal plan and grocery list in hand, it's time to hit the store. Here, focus on quality over quantity. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains should take center stage in the shopping cart. Once the shopping is done, it's time for some meal prep. This involves washing, chopping, and sometimes even partially cooking ingredients in advance. This step is a real time saver during the hectic weekdays and helps keep the cooking process stress-free. Batch cooking is another effective strategy to streamline the meal preparation process. Cook large quantities of a dish and then store the leftovers in the refrigerator or freeze for future meals. This not only saves time, but also helps reduce food waste. Now, while putting together meals, aim for a rainbow on the plate. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures a balanced intake of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. This is the secret to achieving and maintaining optimal health. As part of the meal planning process, don't shy away from trying out new recipes and cooking techniques. This keeps the meals interesting and adds a dash of excitement to the routine. Portion control is another crucial aspect of healthy meal planning. Overeating, even healthy food, can lead to unwanted weight gain. Use measuring cups or a kitchen scale to ensure appropriate portion sizes. Listening to hunger and fullness cues is also important. Eating when hungry and stopping when satisfied can prevent unnecessary snacking and overeating. Lastly, make a conscious effort to enjoy meals mindfully. This means savoring every bite, appreciating the flavors and textures, and avoiding distractions like television or smartphones during meal times. To recap, meal planning involves creating a weekly meal plan, making a grocery list, shopping for fresh, whole foods, prepping ingredients, batch cooking, incorporating a variety of foods, experimenting with new recipes, practicing portion control, listening to hunger cues, and enjoying meals mindfully. With some practice, anyone can master this process and enjoy the benefits of nutritious home-cooked meals.